Hello! Today we're going to talk about how to write a conclusion for your essay, whether it be a summary or just another type of informational essay. So, I am obviously modeling with the topic, how can circumstances in life shape our values? What is the defining factor between growth and fixed mindset? And how does mindset mold people's philosophies on life? So again, this is just something that I came up with that I'm using to model the expectations for you all. So, it must include, your conclusion must include your thesis, same idea, different words. If you copy that thing down word for word, that is not how a conclusion should look. Okay, so that's going to be in your introduction. You're going to take that last sentence from your introduction, the one that's written down in your packet, and you're going to restate it using different words. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like. But if you were writing a summary, this conclusion should also include a theme or multiple themes from the story. No new information, though. This is just giving your reader something to think about, okay? Informational people, final thoughts you want to leave your readers with. So here's an example using this topic, and this is one of the writing packets here. So, conclusion, wrap your ideas up here. Okay, so here's where my thesis is written from my introduction. Now I am trying to break that down into my conclusion. So here is my thesis statement, made a little bit bigger so you all can see it. While life circumstances are unpredictable, it is the choices made that determine the outcome, often based off of the examples of people around us. So I've just written my intro, I have my 3 body paragraphs done, and now I have to wrap it all up. Give my audience something to think about. So I said, every human experiences a mix of helpful and difficult circumstances in their life. Whether you see these difficult circumstances as strengthening or defeating is your choice, but it helps to have positive examples and teachers in life. I don't mean actual teachers and educators, but just people to teach you, just like in some of the stories we've read. Grow through what you go through, which is, oh no, typo, pretty much on every, not every, but on some graphic t-shirts and that kind of a thing too. So this is just really quick how to write a conclusion. Now you're not going to get it perfect the first time. This is going to be another one of those things where you're going to write a draft and then you're going to go back and you're going to revise it as well for your final. Okay, so again, when you are writing a conclusion, you need to restate your thesis, but not using the exact same words. They have to be different. And then either include a theme from the story if you're summarizing, or if you're writing for information, use some final thoughts that you want to leave your readers with. Okay, no new information in your conclusion. As always, please ask if you have any questions at all.